Asia Minor. From the 4th millennium, previously agriculture settlement began administrative activities. The temple of the Artemis and Ephesus was the largest depository of the Asia. Port hoard dated to the 600 BC was found in the exhibition by the British Museum during the year after 1904. During the time at the cessation of the first Mithridatic War, the entire debate record at the time being held was annually by the consul Mark Antony is recorded to have stolen from the deposit on occasion. The temple served as a depository for Aristotle, Caesar, Dio, Chrysostomus, Plautus, and Plutarch, Strabo, and Xenophon. The temples to Apollo in Didyma was constructed something in the 6th century. A large sum of the gold was deposited within the treasury at the time by King Carausius. India, the ancient India, there are evidence of the loan from the Vedic period. Later, during the Maurya dynasty, an instrument called the Adisya was in use, which was an order on a banker desiring him to pay the money of the note to a third person, which corresponds to the definition of a bill of exchange as we understand it today. During the Buddhist period, there was considerable use of these instruments. Merchants in large towns gave letters of the credit to one another. China, in ancient China, starting in a Yuan dynasty, Chinese currency developed with the introduction of the standardized coin that allowed easier trade across the China and led to the development of a letter of the credit. These letters were issued by the merchant who acted in ways that today we would understand as a bank. Egypt, according to the Muir, there were two types of banks operating within Egypt: royal and private. Documented documents made to show the bank of taxes were known as the Peptocon record. Greece, Trapezitica is the first source of documenting banking. The speech of Demosthenes contain numerous reference to the issuing of the credit. Xenophon is credited to have made the first suggestion of the creation of an organization known as the modern definition as a joint stock bank in the on revenue written Croatia 353 BCE. The city-states of Greece after the Persian War produced a government and a cultural sufficiency and organized by far the birth of a private citizenship and therefore on an embryonic capitalist society, allowing for the separation of a wealth from the exclusive state ownership to the possibilities of ownership by the individual. According to the one source, Triapicites were the first to the trade using money during the 5th century BC as opposed to the earlier trade which occurred using forms of pre-money. Specific focus of funds. The earliest form of the storage utilized were the rudimentary money boxes, which were made similar to the forms to the construction of a beehive and were found, for example, in the Mechanic tombs of 1550 and 1500 BC. Private and civic entities within the ancient Grecian society, especially Greece, temples performing financial transactions. The temples were the place where treasure was deposited for the safekeeping. The three temples thought the most important were the temple of to Artemis in Ephesus and temple of the Hera within Samos and within the Delphi, the temple to Apollo. These consisted of the deposited currency exchange, validation of the coinage and loans. The first treasury to the Apollonian temple was built before the end of the 7th century BC. A treasury of the temple was constructed by the city of the Sipones during the 6th century before the destruction of by the Persian during the 480 invasion. The Athenian Acropolis to temples dictated to Athens stored money. Perseus rebuilt a depository afterward contained within the Parthenon. During the reign of the Ptolemies, state depositories replaced temples as the location of the security. Deposit record exists to show this having occurred by the end of the reign of the Ptolemy first, as the end need for the new building to house operation increased. Construction of these places within the cities began around the courtyard of the Agora.